My name is Sylvia. I had a TMJ problem and I ended up being in a severe depression in hospital, and I used antidepressants. But even though I had this severe headache, with the depression tablets I had to take Celebrex 200 milligrams, which Dr. Hendricks prescribed for me, because I couldn't chew and this whole part of mine was painful. And when I came back to Dr. Hendricks, that was about 2 weeks ago, then he recommended that I should come for the treatment for 6 sessions. But with the first session I had a major headache, and but by the time the first treatment was done, then I walked out here without the headache, and I had to wear those bite plates, and after 2 days I took them off. Now I could chew, and my daughter always used to tell me that you mustn't chew because you're going to get pain, but now the pain is gone and I feel like a different person. I feel fantastic because I couldn't open my mouth wide, but I can now. Before the treatment I could only open my mouth this far and I had to put the food in my mouth. But now, after the treatment, I can open my mouth wide like this and I don't feel any pain. And I can eat meat, I can chew bones, but not too much. But I really feel fantastic. I feel healthy.